Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
Jessica, the journalist, she has passions. She wants to travel to every corner of the earth. Right now, she is at North Pole, Santa's workshop specifically. Victor, the Santa Claus. He never knew that the elves were so bored with their everyday work. He feels that he should pay more attention to their feelings and needs. Nina, Dasher the reindeer, Santa's fastest reindeer. She can deliver more than 5,000 presents within a night. She is a little bit hungry now. Alisa, Cupid the reindeer. She already has 364 days of holidays, but she still wants some pocket money. Ryan, the leader of all elves. He doesn't want to stuck in this little workshop. He wants to walk around and have a look of this world. Mickey, the little elf. He's working very hard, so he wants a PS5, chocolate, and different candies for Christmas. Ray, the little elf. She always wonders about the world outside, especially the United States. She wants to get rewarded so that she could make a trip there. Jim, the little elf. He likes to play with snow the most. He sees his friends playing a game with Santa. No pay, no work. Josh, the little elf. He keeps doing his work very hard and finally, he feels tired from working all day long. He wants a holiday. Sunny, the little elf. Her favorite food is candy. She wants Santa Claus knowing it is very important that their effort and outcome are balanced out. Jeremy, the little elf. He has been in a room full of toys and candies all the time, but they all belong to the good kids outside. He wants to have toys and candies too.
Silent night, but it seems that this is not a night for silence, because there are some problems at the North Pole.
No pay, no work. No pay, no work. No pay, no work.
Looks like Santa will probably not be able to deliver all persons on time. Let's find out what is happening.
We the elves are not happy. We are working very hard, but we don't get rewarded. We want pocket money. We want holiday. We want many candy. 那是我的。We want toys. We want to travel around the world. We want PS5. We want We want cookies too. No pay, no work. No pay, no work. No pay, no work.
Look who's coming in. It's Santa. Let's see what he has to say about this.
Ho ho ho, what's going on here? Why aren't you working?
We want celery, Santa.
And free ice cream.
We want a Christmas gift.
Dasher and Cupid are coming in too. Are they going to go on strike too?
Santa, what's taking so long? It's almost time.
Yeah, she is right. We need to be quick or we will be late. Wait a minute, I'm Santa. You're working for Santa and I don't charge children for presents they get. Well, what? I get video game and candy to pay you. I don't make any money.
No pay, no work. No pay, no work. No pay, no work.
Okay, now see what I can do. Maybe we can start trading for presents.
We'll make lots of money. Buy a ski. And with the rest of the money, we'll make a trip to the United States. Hooray!
Wait a minute. What if children don't have any money?
Well, we can take their parents' money.
How about the children's piggy bank?
Or even their toys. Great idea! We need to start now. But the kid didn't know it yet. We don't have enough time to ask them to pay. We will start the plan next year and make lots of money.
Yeah, we'll make lots of money.
Hooray! Hooray!
Looks like we are going to have a whole new Christmas next year. And that's the end of the show.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Wonderful! Their performances are very nice and will be well prepared. That's all for tonight. Eng Institute wishes you a Merry Christmas.
Yeah.